Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili rice. Start by gathering rice, ground meat, canned tomatoes, chili powder, onion, garlic, broth, and oil. Rinse the rice until water runs clear and pat dry to avoid clumping. Dice onion and mince garlic to release flavor when sautéed. Measure spices and keep them near the stove so you can taste and adjust heat levels as the dish cooks. Begin by heating oil in a wide pan and sauté onion and garlic until soft and fragrant. Add ground meat and brown it thoroughly, breaking it into small pieces as it cooks. Stir in chili powder, cumin, paprika, and a pinch of salt to bloom the spices. Add rinsed rice, canned tomatoes, and the correct amount of broth. Bring to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook until the rice absorbs the liquid. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. This book, The Simple Path to Wealth, changed how many people think about money, and it pairs well with cooking calm meals on a budget. I find little savings tips help free up time for better dinners. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust spice levels by increasing or decreasing chili powder and adding a splash of hot sauce for more kick. Swap proteins like shredded chicken or a plant-based option to suit dietary needs without changing cook times much. If you prefer creamier rice, stir in a dollop of sour cream or some cream cheese off heat. Always rest the cooked rice for a few minutes before fluffing with a fork to separate grains and concentrate flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.